We're going to be talking about how to pack a rucksack. But in this instance, it's about the Duke of Edinburgh's Award expeditions that we work with as a company, H5 Adventure. So firstly, there's a few general rules of thumb, really. Your Expedition Rucksack is going to be a minimum of 65 litres, and you're going to put things in it in this sort of order you need it. So yes, you've got side pockets, top pockets, or in the main compartment at the top. Things that you're going to need in those places, things that you're going to need during the day whilst trekking and moving. So yes, pack lunch, maybe a head torch, your map, compass, maybe your waterproofs, water, things like that. Things in the main compartment are the things that you're going to need at the end of the day. In one of our other videos we talked about when you get into camp, what's the first thing you're going to take out your rucksack? Well, it's your tent. So you want that at the top but in the main compartment. And really, what's that last thing you want to take out your rucksack? Well, it's your sleeping bag. Once the tent's up, if it's raining, the tent is up, and therefore you can take your rucksack into the tent and then take the sleeping bag out. So we talk about the first thing going into the rucksack is the sleeping bag. Now, lots of rucksacks have a lower section, and you can zip that off. I often recommend opening all that up so that main compartment is one. We've got a sleeping bag here in a compression strap, so we can get that as small as we can. And then that goes down. I'm going to rotate that. It just gives a nice solid base there. Now, you would have noticed, was that waterproof? No, it wasn't. It's good to get that into a bin liner or a stuff sack that would keep it dry. What do you think is the next thing I can put in there? Well, again, it's things that I'm not going to need until I'm into camp and got the tent up. So we're looking about here. Well, got a bag of some spare clothes, and we can get all the air out of that and get that in. We've also got here the Trangia and gas, and this is again things that you're not going to need until that tent is up. So I can put that to the side of those clothes. And obviously I want to be thinking about, is anything going to be digging into my back or out to the side and things, so you want to get that kind of as neat as possible. That's great. And I've got now a nice sort of shape of the bag. I'm then going to start by looking at putting things in the side pockets. So I've got some food for the day. So this is items in the sides that I can access easily. And my water and my head torch, often like that, accessible. And it's in there, it's packed and zipped up. I've got some hats and gloves, top pocket here. I'll put my waterproof jacket in there. Do I need to waterproof this into a bin liner? Well, no, because if it's going to rain, I can obviously put this on. Now I can get my hat and gloves in this other top pocket. That's all in there now. A couple of other things that I've got here is obviously a bowl and spoon. A couple of things that you don't really need to. Waterproof. I've then got here my wash bag and first aid. Got a dry bag or a stuff sack. Try and get some air out of that so it packs into my rucksack nicely. There's a variety of ways you can waterproof things. If you haven't got these stuff sacks, bin liners are great. Put them in one or two things as well. I'm now slowly getting quite near to the top of my rucksack. Still got quite a bit of space in there, which is great. I'm going to put some pegs in there. I'm going to put them down the side. Now in a team, obviously, would I need to take a whole tent, a whole trangia and gas? No, you'd obviously spread that out amongst your team. So I'll leave the poles and the inner for one of my team members. And literally the outer, I'm just going to stuff that in nice and carefully. Get that all in there nice and neatly, and therefore it will helpfully sit on my back a lot neater, more comfortable and more stable. Learning about your rucksack is great, all the straps, the clips. That one brings in the weight to my back better as well. And now get that zipped up so I've got a bit of space there, maybe for my map. Get that lid on. Then often the odd one or two items that are on the outside of the rucksack, it's often the roll mat or maybe a water bottle, but anything on the outside has got more chance of falling off and losing. In this case I've got my roll mat, and it's going to sit here at the bottom nice and neatly. Again, it's something that you might want to be looking at waterproofing. These sort of foam mats, they can catch on barbed wire, get ripped and easily. Now that's this rucksack packed. There's a variety of different ways, and you might have noticed there's a few things that possibly I haven't put in there. Maybe food for the dinner. One of my other team members might have taken that. I didn't put a mug. If I'm not going to have a hot drink, well, do I need one? Again, DofE expeditions are a challenge. The nature of them. That's why employers, educational establishments see all the positives about Duke of Edinburgh expeditions. But make it as easy as possible by not overloading yourself with too much weight. Often the case, people going on their first expedition, a bronze practice expedition, they go, oh, I'll just take this or I'll just take that. It doesn't add up to much, or it doesn't feel like much on its own. But you think about that over 10 items and all of a sudden you've got a few more kilos. So to summarise there, how are you going to pack your rucksack? Well, the things you need during the day, pack lunch, water, map, compass, maybe your waterproofs, they're going to be in your side pockets, accessible. The last thing that you need when you get into camp is that sleeping bag, because that's once you've got your tent up. That's going to go down in the main compartment right at the bottom, and then after that you're looking at your cooker, your gas, your food, your spare clothes, and then in the main compartment at the top is your tent. Like I say, there's a number of things that possibly I didn't put in this rucksack. Have a think what they might be, and you can add them to yours. Thank you.